Alright, you guys, welcome back to Mantra Tutor. And today I want to warm again. I got the last, for the case A. I don't know what mix this is, but to Tiger Shark again. I know I had it, but unboxed it again. So yeah, I have this whole case complete, which is really good. Name, Hot Wheels Tiger Shark, Drug Type, Creature, Strength, Jaw Power, Crash Attack, Shark Tooth Chomp. I'm glad they changed the Crash Attack because the Fish Sticks was kind of dumb, but Shark Tooth Chomp is way better. There it is. Crush card. There you go. Here it is, a Tiger Shark. Really nice, get that. Are the rims different, or is it just me? I don't remember. Tiger Shark, guys, with the paint, Tiger Shark. Black tires, orange rims and wheel locks. Black roll cage, silver chassis. That's all I got today. Like, subscribe, comment, share more unboxings coming soon. Peace out, and hope you all enjoy.